Want to get maximum discount on Bluehost subscription? So I have got latest and the greatest deal which will help you to get up to 75% discount. All you need to do is to click the given link in the description. Now click on show coupon and it will redirect you to the official website of Bluehost. And here is your current Bluehost plans. Now the starting plan is called basic. As you can see here, it supports only one website. So if you are just started out and want to have only one website, then you can go with this plan. Now the second plan here is called Choice Plus plan. As you can see, you can host 3 websites on this plan. So if you want to run multiple websites at once, then you can go with this plan. Now all you need to do is to select any of these plans which you want to buy according to your specific preference. And the best part of this hosting is that it offers 30 days money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied with your purchase, then you can get full money back. Suppose if I select Choice Plus plan, as you can save 67% from this plan, and you can also get amazing features like daily backups for 1 year, malware scanning, free SSL and many more. Now select this. After selecting, enter the domain name here. Now at checkout, you can apply the coupon code here. To get the coupon code, you have to go back to our website again, copy this code and paste it here. Now click on apply coupon. And here you can see the amount has instantly decreased. So if you want more coupon codes like this, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.